Les plans ambitieux de fabrication lunaire de XAI d'Elon Musk.
Elon Musk's company, XAI, has revealed a bold vision for the future of artificial intelligence and space exploration. In a recently released 45-minute video of an internal all-hands meeting, the company outlined plans for a lunar-based manufacturing facility. This facility is intended to produce materials and components needed for next-generation AI systems. In addition to the Moon factory, XAI plans to develop orbital AI infrastructure to support large-scale computational needs in space. Musk emphasized that these initiatives are crucial to meeting the demands of rapidly advancing AI technologies. The announcement showcases XAI's commitment to integrating space innovation with AI development on a scale not seen before. The lunar factory plan arrives during a period of transition at XAI. Several co-founders have recently departed, and the company is exploring options for a potential initial public offering. Musk framed the lunar initiative as part of a larger vision to create an interconnected space-based infrastructure. This infrastructure would link AI computing resources with orbital satellite networks, providing a foundation for more advanced AI capabilities. Experts note that combining AI with space infrastructure represents a significant departure from conventional data center models and could position XAI as a leader in interplanetary AI innovation. The technical scope of XAI's lunar plan is extensive. Among the proposed projects is the construction of a massive catapult on the Moon to facilitate material transport and deployment. In addition, the company plans to establish orbital AI data centers that would operate in space, leveraging reduced latency and unique environmental conditions. Musk also discussed the potential need for interplanetary AI compute resources to handle the increasing complexity of AI systems. While acknowledging the challenges of operating in space, including harsh conditions and logistical constraints, he suggested that these measures are necessary to maintain technological leadership. The ambitious program also touches on speculative aspects, including the possibility of interactions with extraterrestrial intelligence, highlighting the bold and unconventional nature of Musk's vision. The news of XAI's lunar initiative has drawn a mix of fascination and caution from experts and the public. Analysts note that if successful, the project could redefine the infrastructure for AI development, moving computational resources off Earth and into space. However, some observers express concern about the technical feasibility, costs, and safety of operating advanced AI systems in orbit and on the Moon. Despite these concerns, Musk remains committed to the vision, framing it as a long-term investment in the future of technology and human capability. The announcement underscores a growing trend of combining space exploration with advanced computing and AI, suggesting that the coming years may see an unprecedented integration of extraterrestrial infrastructure with high-tech innovation on Earth.
Ce site peut vraiment vous aider à améliorer votre compréhension écrite et orale de l'anglais. Grâce à l'IA, il découpe les phrases en segments faciles à comprendre. Vous pouvez régler la vitesse, mettre en pause ou revenir en arrière pour saisir chaque phrase. Le site propose des traductions dans 20 langues, rendant l'apprentissage plus simple. Il suffit d'entrer en nieste.com dans votre navigateur. Essayez-le dès maintenant.